All right, what's up everyone? My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. This is Fine Detailing. If it's your first time joining, please consider liking and subscribing. Would really appreciate it. So today we're doing something a little bit different. This is a product review. This is a sponsored product review. This Giraffe vacuum cleaner was sent to me and they asked me to do a review. So I'm going to do a review, guys. The difference is here, if someone specifically asks me to do a review and I agree to it and they send it to me, that's it. There's no other terms. I'll agree to do the review, but if I have critical feedback, I'm going to give them critical feedback, and I'm going to be honest with you. I don't want to get sent products just to give you fluff pieces and tell you, oh my God, it's perfect, it's the GOAT. So I don't mean to start that negative. I actually have some really good things to say about this, but I just wanted to be honest with you because when I do see those promotions on YouTube or like the paid promotion, which I'll have up on the screen, you do wonder about like one's going to be honest or if they're going to kind of paint it in a super positive light. So that out of the way, I wanted to get into it. What do we have today? We have the Giraffe tools. This is the retractable vacuum cleaner. I know there's other people on YouTube that haven't had some nice things to say about the Giraffe brand, specifically about the pressure washers. They asked me to do one on the pressure washer. I'm actually going to do it in the future. I have a really cool kind of story about that. I'm actually going to bring it over to one of my customers' house that I just ceramic coated. He offered to let me install it at his house, and then I'm going to show him how to wash his ceramic coated car. So keep an eye out for that for a future video. But for today, obviously I didn't have a use for a pressure washer in my garage. I already have a full setup, but I have been looking for a vacuum, right? I wanted a wall mount solution. I use like the rigid 5 horsepower one from Home Depot, and it's good. It gets me around. It's a great shop vac. But this is a cool kind of wall mount all-in-one solution. It's got a 30-foot hose on it. It's got a filter up top, which is kind of hard to see there, but overall this thing is really, really heavy, guys, and there's 2 mounts on the back, but you basically mount it to the wall and it slides on. Unlike some other videos, I'm not going to show you the install video. It comes with a great template, lay it on the wall. It comes with your stud spacing, so it's like 16 inches on center. So I have it mounted 2 of the holes. I have it directly into studs, and then the 2 holes on the inside I have butterflied. So it feels really good. Now I'm not going to hang on this thing, but it's not going anywhere, so I feel really secure about it. Before, I like a clean and tidy garage. I like things kind of buttoned up and kind of tucked away. So for me, for now, I think this is the right area for it. I may move it in the future, but for me, it's kind of out of the way. We can still park the cars in here and it's really good. So again, this is a 30-foot hose, retractable hose reel. It does come with these accessories here. You know, you have these ones here, which are really interesting because then you can kind of put them together and then you can vacuum the floor if you want. And it comes with this cool, this floor vacuum head here. This tool here, I don't know, I'm not sure what this is used for. Let's see if that'll focus. I'm not sure what that's used for, but it has this tool as well. Tips here. You've got this fun giant tip. It's kind of cool. It's really wide, so if you have some like bigger debris, that might be a good one for you. And then kind of your standard crevice tool. Some brushes here, a bigger brush and then a smaller one, pretty standard. That one there, and then you have this one here. I think this is the one I'd probably use the most unless you're doing this on carpet. So the wall mount for the accessories is kind of cool. I don't think a lot of companies think about that. They just give you all the accessories and then what do you do with them? You just kind of like pile them up in your drawers, and there's not really good storage in that. So I do like that this is kind of an all-in-one unit that comes with that. About it, I don't have a ton of specs on it. Suction, I think they measure this, and it's called 20 kPAs, which is like kilopascals. So I honestly, I don't have enough information on that and of how that compares. I've done some basic Googling and it says like 20 kPAs is what's considered a good vacuum or good suction. This is actually the Bluetooth version, which is cool. So I didn't have to really do any pairing with this. I turned it on and it worked. So that was actually really nice. I was concerned that like the Bluetooth might not work. This is your head here. It comes on and it just kind of clamps on, and then there's a side mount here. You can just, when you're done, it's just kind of left out of the way. So I'll come to you from a different angle and kind of show you kind of unmounting it. But underneath is, you have 2 of these clasps here. And then you want to unhook them, and then it kind of goes down and then forward. And then that's your basin, right? That's your catch-all. Okay guys, so like I said, it's got a retractable hose. This is kind of a plastic rung that it kind of follows here, and it's greased with something, which is nice. I just think that's thoughtful that they actually greased it with something. This out here, so it's got some tension to it. Let me see this. Yeah. So I'm pulling, like, it doesn't seem to be like clogged or anything, but it's taking a little, it seems like a weird amount of effort. Okay, and then there you go. And you just kind of do that push-pull thing and it'll lock it in. So that's this fully extended. It was a little bit tighter kind of on the pullout, but again, if it's on this retractable hose reel, it kind of makes sense that it would be under some load. So anyways, that was the pullout. It wasn't too bad. This doesn't really tangle up. It's pretty good quality here. I mean, we'll see how long it lasts, obviously, but that's it. So I'm gonna take you into the car and show you some vacuuming on that side. So I'm gonna try and do my best to show you from here. So the cool thing is, got a trigger, and I'm gonna turn it on. I'm not gonna lower the volume so you can see how loud it is. Okay, so that's the demo for that purpose. That was the most awkward vacuuming angle, which you would never do. Trying to show you there. I have this brush on for some hair. My wife obviously rides in this seat, so there's some hair on the floor. Overall, suction's pretty good. I'm gonna come in and clean it up, and let's see if I can get some more on camera for you. Okay guys, we're in the car. I have these cool Next LED lights. Kind of to give me a little more visibility in my interior. I would actually also leave this brush on. It doesn't feel too rough. I probably wouldn't go over piano black with this, but like kind of on the dash or the other areas, this seems soft enough. So I'd leave the brush on. It'll help me get my dust. You're gonna wind her back up. All you do is give it a little tug, release it. You gotta help it a little bit at the end here. Okay, piece comes off. And again, you can just let it hang here. I like to pull a little slack out and then tuck it in on the side. Final thoughts on this. It's a little too early to tell you, obviously, the longevity on this. Am I happy with it so far? Yeah, I am. It's worked to clean kind of mine and my wife's car. I haven't used it on a customer car, and typically I don't do a ton of like filthy interiors. I try and focus on a lot of exterior work, paint correction, ceramic coatings. Do I think it would be good for like a high volume pro shop? No, I do not. I just don't know if that hose and the I don't know if that's gonna last you. But again, look, I haven't used it that long, so take that for what it is. Quality for what it is, like it's actually kind of like beefy and a heavy unit, so I've been really impressed with it. I think for the home hobbyist in your garage, I think this would actually be perfect for you. Again, it's kind of wall mounted. You can mount it lower or higher if you want. The retractable hose is all in one. There's some other solutions on the market where they have a separate reel and it's not necessarily retractable. I don't have a problem with this brand. It's going to live in my garage until it, until it doesn't work. Again, it cleans the car really well. The accessories are decent. When we talk about the quality of things, I have the Rigid, the Home Depot brand vacuum, and those accessories are the same plastic material as these are. The hose is kind of the same. This is a little bit pliable, a little bit flexible, but there's no issues there. So they have two models of this. The one with the remote control on the handle, which is honestly pretty nice. I don't know the prices. I'll put the prices on the screen, but I think there's like a difference of like a $40 or $50 swing to get the Bluetooth handle. It's really nice, guys. If you don't care about that, you can save some money, but overall, having it on the handle is actually really, really convenient. I think that's similar to like I think the Big Boy has that. So I haven't used that one. I could review that in the future and bring you that. But again, this has a retractable hose reel. It just kind of looks cleaner, if I'm being honest with you. That's it. Again, I told you I'd give you my honest review. I think the quality's there. See how long it lasts. Again, who do I think this is good for? I don't know if this is great for the professional detailer. I'm going to use this. I don't detail 7 days a week, so we'll see how long it lasts. I think this is great for the home hobbyist. Have this in your garage, and this would make light work of, you know, some decently dirty cars. Again, sorry guys, I don't keep dirty cars. I'm not going to put a bunch of rocks in my car and show you the suction power of it. I'm telling you, it's a pretty good vacuum. It cleans, you know, similar to my is my Rigid 5 horsepower stronger? Yes, absolutely. It's definitely stronger. I don't know how much suction power you need or like what's effective for you. Overall, the quality is good, guys. This on Amazon. I'll be shipping out the end of the year, I think like December 31st. You can order those on Amazon, or if you want to save money, I have a code. The code in the description and in the comments. So if it's wrong in the video, just check the comments. You can go on their website. It should save you either 10% off on their website directly. Again, it says pre-order on their website if you go to it now, but it'll ship out December 31st, and it'll come relatively quickly. I think it was FedEx shipping, which was actually really nice. So guys, that's the review of this product. We'll see if I bring you ones like this in the future. I typically don't like to have like requirements of like leaving reviews. Like there were no requirements, by the way, of like to say good or bad. I just don't necessarily love to be obligated to do these types of reviews, but you know what? I needed a vacuum in the shop, and so I wanted to give this a try. So I appreciate Arbol for sending this out. Thank you so much, my friend. So far, I've been really happy with it, guys, and drop it in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to pick one up. I don't think you can go wrong. I'll give you updates kind of as we go throughout the months, and you'll see me using it and maybe some details, and I'll let you know some further thoughts. But again, it's brand new, so obviously it works well. So if you're still here, please consider liking and subscribing, guys. I hope this is valuable for you. If you've been eyeing something like this, let me know if you're going to go check it out. Thanks, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.